broadcast button on the GoToWebinar control panel to allow all attendees to hear you. This system will notify you once you begin your broadcast. The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hello. Hello, good afternoon. Hi. We'll just wait for a few more minutes for the others to join, then we'll start. Good afternoon. Hello. Hmm. Good afternoon. Hello, everyone. Few people are yet to join. I think we'll just wait for them. Ryan, afternoon. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello, everyone. Okay, so the last topic of this chapter is left, which is laws of exponents. So what I'll do, I'm fine, thank you for asking. What I'll do is I'll just show you the slide which has the laws so you all can copy it down. By then, hopefully the others will join. Yeah, is my screen visible? Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay, guys. Yes, you can note this down. I think you would have done this before, exponents, but still, like a recap, just note it down. I hope you all are writing it down. Once you're done, just raise your hand so I know. Anybody who's just joined in, I have just started with the last topic of the chapter, which is laws of exponents. So just write down these important laws. They'll help you to solve the questions. Once you all are done writing, let me know by raising your hand. So we'll move on to the questions. Done? How many of you are done copying it? Please raise your hand. Okay, awesome. Okay, so I think we'll move on to the examples. Let's start solving. Okay, so yeah, this first take the first part, which is simplify 2 raised to 2 by 3 and into 2 raised to 1 by 3. I think this is very simple. Let's see who gets this. And the second one is also simple. Okay, now you guys, you can type in your answers. Let me see who gets it. Gets it first. Find the value of 32, 2 by 5. Yes, Netri, your answer is correct. Yes, yes. You're answering the first one. Yes. Atharva, Puneet, Dhruv, Afnan. Yes, the answer is right. Root cube to 4. Ritvik, I'm afraid not. Ritvik, this follows the rule that since the base is the same, you can add the powers, right? I hope you guys know, right? 2 is the base and 2 by 3 is the power, the exponent to which it is raised. So you can just add the powers, and in the second one, 32 can be written in terms of the power 5. Yesterday's class recording. Okay, I'll send it as soon as I can today. Okay. We just solved sums yesterday, so okay. Maybe I'll share the PPT with you guys. Yes, Elena, 2. Yes, yes. What about the second answer? Yes, 1. Second answer is correct. Rakshita, I'm afraid not. Your answer is wrong. Dhruv, yes. Afnan, 12.8. Are you sure? That seems wrong. Yes, Raghav, your answer is correct. Neil, if that's the answer for the second one, it's correct. Anirban, no, the answer is not in decimal for either of the cases. Yes, Elena, your answer is correct. Aditya Mundra, is that the first answer or the second answer? Ame, 14. 14 is not right. Okay, Aditya, that's the first answer. Yes, then it's correct. Puneet, 4, I assume it's the second, so it's correct. Okay. Okay, guys. I'll just show you how to do it. It's very simple. Like I said, yes, Vasudha, you're right. Since the base is the same, you can just add the powers. As simple, right? And the second one, what you do is you try to simplify 32 in the form of a number whose factor is 5. Like 2 raised to 5 is 32. So you can cancel out 5. That's the easiest way of solving it. So most of these questions in this, you just have to express it in the form of prime factors, the root, and then it becomes easy to solve, right? Okay, these were very simple ones. Let's move on to some. Okay, this question is based on what we did yesterday and in previous classes. Check whether the following are irrational numbers or not. Okay, so y'all can just tell me type in your answer. Let me see. So there are two ways you can go about solving this question. One is either use a property. Let's see first whether how many of you get it, then I'll tell you. Guys, you don't need to solve much in this. You can just say, yes, Atharva, you're right. Hmm. Okay, what about the rest? Raghav, Netri? Yes, Neki, you're right. Yes, Puneet, right. Ria, yes, but what about the rest? Raghav, yes. Uh, okay, so you're giving me answer separately. Okay, yeah, your answers are correct now. Netri, yes. Second is irrational. Okay, Raghav, how is the... I have a question now. How is the fourth one rational? Okay, yes, Shakti, you have a question. Wait, I'll unmute you. Hi, Shakti. Hello, Shakti?
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you. Yeah. Okay, you seem to have gone. Hello?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, what's your question?
The 32 raised to 2 by 5 one.
Okay, yeah.
I didn't understand how you solved that.
Okay, so see, whenever you are given a number under the root, whatever number you get, you should always try to find the prime factors for it first. So if you find out the prime factors for 32, you'll get 2 to the power 5, right? You guys know, right, the prime factor. How do you find the prime factor method that you write the number like... Okay, wait, I'll just show you. This is what I mean by prime factor. Yeah, so basically you write 32 here if the 32 is the number, and then two 16s are 32, two... So yeah, so this is how you get the factors. So which you'll see 2 to the power 5 is 32. Hence the power, it's 32 raised to something to the power 5, right? So the 5 and 5 gets cancelled and you'll get 2 raised to the power 2, which is 4. Is it quite clear now, Shakti? Fourth one is rational, Raghav. Okay, how is the fourth one rational, Raghav? I'm going to unmute you. Where are you? Raghav, can you raise your hand so I'll just unmute you? Okay, yeah. Hi, Raghav. Why do you say the fourth one is rational?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, because pi equals to 3.0 1 or 4, and then
Uh,
if you
okay.
3.014 something like that, pi equals to that, and then if you subtract it, then it comes in a decimal.
Okay, I think you may have missed the first class which Lasya ma'am was taking, in which she discussed that pi actually is not exactly 3.14. It is a series of numbers which is non-recurring and non-terminating. So actually pi is an irrational number, which makes the last one irrational.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, yeah, so guys, all of the numbers are irrational. Simplest way to like I said, there are two ways of going about this. One, either you can say because of the root, the numbers you get in the decimal form will be non-terminating, non-recurring, which means, and if any number is multiplied to that or added to that, subtracted to that, the number also will be non-terminating, non-recurring. Okay, hi Arav, you just entered. I have asked them to make a note on laws of exponents, and then we solve two examples on that, and this is the third one. So maybe I'll just show it to you later. I think for now it's fine. You can just carry on from here. Yeah, so one way of doing it is saying that all are, since because of the root, all the numbers are non-terminating, non-recurring, hence these are all irrational numbers. Or another way of saying it is this. Any operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication or division performed on an irrational number will always give you an irrational number. So you can note this down if you like. That can the recording of the session? Yeah, okay, Aditya, I'll do that. I'll just figure out how do I share the recording. I'll share the recordings of yesterday's class and today's class. Okay, and I'll share the PPT. So don't worry. You'll find most of the data here, and this is all there in your chapter notes and workbook. So don't worry about anything. Okay, yeah. So just mention those two important points which I'm saying. One is you can say that these numbers are irrational because all the decimals like root 5 or pi or all those kind of numbers are non-terminating, non-recurring. Because of that, if any number is added or subtracted, multiplied to that, theorems. Neki, I did laws of exponents. Theorems, what kind of theorems are you talking about? I'm not sure. And the other way, the other important point about this question is that uh, operations performed on irrational numbers will always give you irrational numbers. Okay, just mention that. That's an important thing you need to remember. So yesterday I was mentioning that operation on real numbers, right? That for real numbers, like if it's a mix of an rational and irrational number, like mixed case as in 6 root 7 or something like that, when you add real numbers to each other, it's not like there is it the result could be a rational or irrational number, but if you are definitely adding or subtracting something to an irrational number, you will always get an irrational number. Okay, okay, so we'll move on to the next example. This is more on laws of exponents now. Okay, so yeah, we did all this yesterday. Come on, fast, I want the answers. Type in your answers here. How do you add? For those of you who need a recap, you need to add the rational parts together and irrational parts together. Okay, I think that's a hint to do this. Yes, Puneet, your answer is right. Neki, just check once. Are you sure there's a negative sign? Yes, Molly, you're right. Yes, Raghav, your answer is right. Yes, Rakshita. Divya, how did you get 5? You are supposed to add rational parts together and the okay, so you have to add the numbers which have the same irrational component in this case. So you will be adding root 2 plus root 2 and 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3. See. Aditya sign, there is a Aditya Verlikar, it's you're right, but the sign is wrong. Again, Neki, are you sure? Just check once your answer. Atharva, again, sign is wrong. Yep, Arav, Afnan, Muskan, your answers are right. Elena, how did you get 9? You will get this answer in terms of an irrational number. So if you add 2 root 2 and root 2, you'll get 3 root 2. And 5 root 3 minus root 3, you will get, yes, here it is. So this is how you do it. Yes, Atharva, yes, Riya, your answer is right. Mansi, just check your sign once. Shivesh, yes, you're right. Once you're done with this question, just raise your hands so that we move on to the next one. 53 root 2. I hope that's a typo error, Ryan. It's 3 root 2. You did not understand the question. Okay, so basically this question has two components, the rational and irrational component, right? So what do? We add the terms which have the same irrational component. Like you cannot add 2 root 2 and 5 root 3. You can add 2 root 2 and 2 root 2, which will give you 3 root 2. You cannot add perform operations more than that. And the other one, so you cannot do 2 root 2 minus 3 root 3. You can do 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3 because of the like irrational terms. Actually, we have more questions on this, so I think you'll get a hang of it while we solve. Okay. Yeah, so guys, we'll move on to the next one. Okay. Again, here you multiply the irrational parts, which is the part under the root, together, and you multiply the real numbers together. Answers. Type in your answers. Are you sure, Aditya? Aditya Verlikar. Raghav, I hope that's a typo error. Atharva, Neki, Mansi, yes, your answer is right. Rakshita, how is it 12 root 25? Root 5 into root 5 is 5, guys. It becomes root 5 square, right? Vasudha, nope. Nope. Puneet, yes. Raghav, Afnan, your answers are right. Shivesh, your answer is right. Divya, 12 root 25, 5 into root 5. Root 5 into root 5 will give you 5, guys. It's root 5 square, which is nothing but 5. Muskan, yes, your answer is right. If it was root 5 into some other number, it would have given you 25, but not. Root 5 into root 5 is 5. Okay, it becomes 5 square. Yeah, Muskan, Divya, yes, your answer is right. I just display the answer. This is how you do it. So you multiply 6 into 2, and then root 5 into root 5 becomes root 5 square, which is nothing but 5. 12 into 5 is 60. Okay, guys, we'll move on to the next one. This I think we had discussed yesterday. I think you all must have forgotten. We did the operations on real numbers. So yeah, again, the irrational part and irrational part can be divided together. So it will be 8 root 15 by 2 root 3. Write root 15 in simpler terms using factors, prime factors. And type in your answers. Let's see who gets it. Write 15 in terms of prime factors. So 15 can be also written as 5 into 3, right? When you do that, then it should simplify the process. Yes. Shakti, Atharva, Muskan, Vansh, Elena, Mansi, Shivesh, Neil, Neki, yes, all your answers are right. Abhishek, yes. Ryan, how did you get 80? You divide, you write 15 in terms of prime factors, which is root 5 into 3. Okay, I'll display the answer. Here it is. I don't know where you've gone wrong, Ryan. Just check. Yes, Vasudhar, Tanisha, Raghav, Rakshita, your answers are right. Aditya, Divya, Ritvik, Netri, all your answers are right. Yes, I can see your answers. Yes. Ryan, yes, 4 root 5. Ria, 4 root 5. Yes. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Okay, so these are simple. Let's see how you get it. First, take up the first subpart, which is 5 plus root 7 plus 2 plus root 5. Okay, so just this can be done by simple expansion of the bracket, like multiply the brackets with each other. 5 into 2 plus root 5 plus root 7 into 2 plus, but make a note that 2 into root 7 will just be 2 root 7, nothing else. So don't go to multiply it. Yes, I'll share this presentation. Don't worry. Yes, Puneet, your answer is right. Yes, Raghav. Yes. So just solve the first one for now and give me the answers. Then the next ones are pretty easy to do. Yes, Raghav, you're right. Yes, Neil. Yes, you're right, Neil. Abhishek, no, you will get 4 terms. Atharva, you will get 4 terms. Okay, y'all are solving questions ahead, is it? I'm just checking the answer for the first one for now. Second one is 0. Raghav, are you sure? Yes, Puneet, the second one is right. Okay, guys, did you get the first one? Just multiply. 5 into 2 plus root 5 will be 10 plus 5 root 5 plus 2 root 7 into root 35. Since it's root 7 and root 5, it will become root 35. Raghav, check the second one. Close, but not right. Yes, Anirban, it's correct. Puneet, which question is this? The third one? Then it's correct. Tanisha, yes, you're right. Rakshita, yes. Second one, okay. Yeah, the next you can solve the next ones on the similar lines. First answer, yes, Vansh, you're right. Raghav, yes. Third and second both is 20, Raghav? Or is that the second one? Fourth one is 4. Yes, Puneet, you're right. Aditya, second one is correct. Aditya Verlekar, second one is correct. The rest need some kind of changes, I believe. Second, yes, yes, guys. The second answer is 20. You're right. Rakshita, yes, the fourth one is correct. Atharva, fourth one is correct. Arav, yes. Molly, yes. Neil, yes, you're right. Tanisha Anirban, correct. Neil, Raghav, correct. You're not able to solve it. Elena, just open the brackets. The second one is a plus b into a minus b, which will be a square minus b square. So that will be simply 25 plus 5. 25 minus 5, sorry. The first one, just open the brackets and multiply the terms. Abir, yes, I'll just show the answers for all 4 at once. So just solve it. Fourth one, yes. Raghav, yes. Neil, it's correct. Yes, Nikki, second one is correct. Third one is correct. Mansi, yes, if that's the answer for the second one. Divya, no, the second one is not 0. Once check your answer again. The third one is not that. Tanisha, yes, you're right. Ryan, Vasudha, you're getting numbers. That is for 170 is not the correct answer for anything. No, Vasudha. Fourth one, no, it's wrong. Ryan, if that's the second one, it's correct. Okay. There are 4 terms for the third one. No. Okay, so this will be the expansion of a plus b square. A square, which is 3 plus b square 7 plus 2 into root 3 into root 7. So you can add 3 and 7, which is 10 plus 2 root 21. There will be only 2 terms. Second one is 5. Ame, no. The second one will be 5 into 5, which is 25 plus root 5 into root 5 is 5. So 25 minus 5, which is 20. Yes, Vansh, yes, Atharva. Your answers are right. Fourth, Shivesh, no, the fourth one is not right. Again, the fourth one is a plus b, a minus b, guys, which is nothing but a square minus b square. You need to remember the algebraic answers, algebraic identity, sorry. Elena, the third answer, no, you will get it in the form of 2 terms. Okay, I'll just show you the answers. So yeah, first one, just simplify the brackets. The second one is a square minus b square. Yes, Muskan, your answers look right. The third one is a plus b the whole square, and the fourth one is also a square minus b square, the identity. Just copy it down in case you guys have not got it. Just raise your hand once you're done, so I know you can move ahead. We can move ahead. Elena, did you get it now? Are you finding it is okay now, or yes, Dhruv, you have a doubt? Just 1 second. Yeah, Dhruv, I've unmuted you.
Yeah, ma'am. So I had a doubt in the third one. So
Okay.
the final answer is 10 plus 2 root 21.
Huh.
So we can't add 10 to 2, right?
No, you cannot add. Because
If it was 10 root something and this is a different term, so we could have added that.
no, unless it
It
was
is
10 root 21, you cannot perform addition.
okay, so root should be the same.
Yes, the root part, if it is the
To
same,
add
only
them.
then you can add. That is the irrational part. Okay.
Okay.
Vansh, yes, the fourth answer is 4, Vansh. Okay, guys, does anybody else have a problem viewing the screen, or is it fine? Is my screen visible? Yes, okay, okay. Vansh, can you just refresh your connection? Okay, once. And I'll share the PPT. What I'll do is I'll just share the PPT so it's easy for all of you. Don't panic. Okay, we'll just move on to the next one. Yeah. These are all based on laws of exponents, so you can just refer to the laws we just did at the starting of the class. Okay. First one, I think we covered the first one already, so you can either do it quickly or just skip it if you want. We just did that question. Since the base is the same, you can just add the powers. The answer will be 2. For next one, since the powers are same, you can multiply the bases. So it will be 3 into 4 to the power 1 by 5, which is nothing but 12 to the power 1 by 5. Similarly, you can do it for the rest 3. Okay, you can just type in your answer if you get it. Okay, you've not written the powers of exponents. Okay, Arav, no worries. I'll share the PPT with you. You can make a note after that. Don't worry. Tanisha, I'll just share the PPT. Don't worry. Don't need to take screenshot or anything. Third one is 1. Yes. Yes, Abir. Yes, Atharva. Yes, Ria. Your answers are correct. Anirban, that's the answer for the second one, and it's correct. Vasudha, I hope it's the third one. Puneet, yes, correct. Second one, yes, Neki, it's correct. First one is 2. Yes, first one we covered it. Yes. Fourth is Netri, you're right, but there's a power. You're missing the power. Yes, okay, you mentioned that in the next one. Yes, it's correct. Arav, the first one. Okay, Arav, so see, basically the base is the same, so it will be 2 to the power 2 plus 3 plus 1 by 3. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, which is nothing but 3 by 3. So 2 to the power 1 is nothing but 2. That's how you get the answer. The third one is, yeah, third one is 1, Elena. You're right. Yes, Muskan, your answers look correct. Raghav, yes, you're right. Somebody asked a question somewhere. Yes, Vansh, your answers are right. Yes, Ritvik, your answers look right. Raghav, fourth one, just check your answer. I don't think it is 30. Mansi, yes, your answers are right. Ryan, I seem to have lost your answers somewhere. No, Ryan, 21 power 1 by 5 is not the correct answer of any question. Okay, I'll just show you the answers, guys. This is the simple one. Yes, Rakshita. Yes, Netri, your answers are right. Divya, Atharva, Abhishek, yes, right. Out of the second one is not right. Arav, okay, so for the second one, Arav, again, in this case, since the exponent, the power is the same, you just multiply the base. So it will be 3 into 4, not 3 plus 4. 3 into 4, which is 12. Okay. Yes, Raghav. Can you leave the answer in power form? Yes, if it cannot be simplified, leave it. Like if the last one is 221 to the power 1 by 5 is fine as it is. Okay, I'll just show you the answers here. First one we had covered during the examples. Yeah. Second one, since the powers are the same, you just multiply. Third one also same. Powers are the same. So is the fourth one. Just raise your hand once you have written it down. In the first one, why is it 21? Netri, it is 2 to the power 1. Is it written 21? Sorry. Okay, it's not 21, guys. It's 2 to the power 1 in the first one. First one is 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2. 2 raised to 3 by 3 is 1. Yes, your answers are right, Ria. Good job. Okay, guys, we move on to the next one. Let's see. This is a little tricky. Okay, so you made a note of. Okay, let me just show it to you once. You made a note of this property, which is a raised to x by y can be written as. Okay, this didn't erase properly. Okay, one of the laws of exponents was a raised to x by y can also be written as y root of a to the power x. So you are going to make use of this property to solve the question. The question is in this form. The question is actually in this form. So you convert it to this form and then it will be easy to solve it. So send me your answer. Yeah, here is the question. Oops, yeah. Okay, send the answer, guys. You got it right. It's in the form of. You didn't see the law. Okay, wait. Let me go back. Here. There was one of the laws which said a base to the power x by y can also be written in the form y root of a to the power x. Yes, Raghav, your answer is right. Atharva, no. Afnan, your answer is right. Neki, no. No, you can send. Just type your answer here. You don't need to send. Puneet, can you just refresh your connection once? Must be some lag. Abir, no, your answer is wrong. No, the answer is not 9, guys. Just check once. Please show the question. Yeah, sure. Here. How will you write? You're not getting it. Okay. If you were to write 81 in the form of something square, what would it be? No, the answer is not the second one. Ria, Netri, nope. Molly, nope. Snehal, yes, your answer is right. Okay, wait, I'll just show it to you how it's done. Okay, so the question is, what is the question? Yeah, 4th root 81 to the power minus 2. So if you find out the prime factors for 81, it can be also written as, yeah, 3 nines are 27, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3. So basically 3 to the power 4 is 81. Okay, I'll just change the color of this pen. So you can write this in the form of 1 by 81 to the power square, so that the negative sign, you take care of the negative sign. Then what do? Okay, yeah, this. Then you take care of the 4th root by writing it as 1 by 81 to the power 2 by 4. Then you write it as 1 by, here you got it right, 3 power 4 from here, from this prime factor method. You can write it as 3 to the power 4 into 3 by 4. So the 4 and 4, okay, yeah, 1 second. So this 4 and this 4 gets cancelled. Oh, sorry, it's 2 by 4, right? 2 by 4. 2 by 4, which is nothing but 1 by 3 square, which is nothing but 1 by 9. That's how you solve. Okay, I hope it's clear now. Yeah, I'll just show you the solution. Yeah, the question is here. Okay. Yeah, what is the value of the 4th root of 81 raised to minus 2? And yes, option 1 is the answer, Netri. Yes. Here, this is the solution in case you were not able to copy. So they have directly taken it as 9 square, which is also fine, or you can do the method which I did. Both of them will give you the same answer. Okay, so we'll move on to the next one. Just yep. Okay, so now you need to solve this. Yesterday we did rationalizing the denominator, right? This is just the next step of that. So in order to solve this, first don't put the values of root 2 and root 3. First rationalize the denominator. How will you do that? It's simple. In this case, you just have to take LCM. Just take the LCM of both the two. That is, just multiply uh, the first term with the denominator of the second term and the second term with the denominator of the first term. When you simplify it, you will get some value in the numerator in the form of 2 root 2 and root 3. Then you multiply. Okay, just try doing this. Let's see if any of you get the answer. If you don't, I'll explain it to you. You're confused already, Ria. Okay, shall we go stepwise? Okay, the first step is there are two terms given. So just take the LCM of the denominator. Right? Just do that step. Yes, Abir, I'll explain it. Just somebody is giving me answers already, which is right. Afnan, Yes, you are right, Afnan. Good job. Just take the, for all those of you who are not able to solve it, just the first step. The LCM is the denominator. So you multiply 4 into the denominator of the second term. Okay, I'll just show you. 4 by, what is it? 3 root 3. 3 root 3 plus, okay, minus 2 root 2. So you multiply this term with the denominator of the next term, which was 3 root 3 plus 2 root. You got it? And similarly, do the same for the next term. 3 into this term will go here. That's all you need to do. Just do that step first. Let me see. Yes. Neil, yes, your answer is correct. Afnan, yes, you're right, Afnan. Puneet, I'm afraid not. No, once you can solve it, you can insert the value of root 2 and root 3 and solve it further. Okay, all those who are stuck, did you do the first step? When you do the first step, you'll get the answer in the form of, like, you'll get rid of the roots in the denominator. You have rationalized first. Yes, Rakshita, you're supposed to rationalize it only. But in this case, if you just take the LCM, it will get rationalized on its own. So you don't need to do anything more. No, you're taking the LCM, right, Neki? So in LCM, you're not supposed to like multiply the denominator. Oh yeah. I mean, it will be the square of each term. You don't have to multiply it separately. Atharva, yes, I think you're right. Just insert the value of root 2 and root 3 now, and you'll get some answer in some decimals. Okay, Neki, yes, you have a doubt. Let me unmute you. Can you raise your hand, Neki? So I'll just unmute you. Yes, Neki.
Yeah, ma'am, in this step, you multiplied the numerator 4 with some value, so the denominator also has to be multiplied by that, right?
It is not some value, it was the denominator of the second term.
Yeah, we are
So,
rationalizing.
yeah, you're rationalizing just by taking the LCM. So yes, so automatically it will be, so the denominator will be this into this number. It will be a common denominator for both the terms.
So it will be a plus b into a minus b, right?
Yes, you will get it in that form. So you'll get it as a square minus b square.
Okay.
You're right. The next step will be a square minus b square. Okay, I'll just show it. I think you're confused a bit. Shakti, you're not getting it. Numerator for the first number will be 4 into 3 root 3 plus. Yeah. Elena, yes, but then you multiply it. Atharva, yes, good job. The answer is correct. Abhishek, Trivedi, I'm afraid the answer is wrong. Okay, I'll just show you guys the solution. I don't think I can write all that on paint. I'll show it to you. Okay. So first, First you rationalize the denominator just by taking LCM, because by doing that, so this term, the second term is multiplied to here, and this term is multiplied here. And by doing that, automatically it rationalizes the fraction, so you don't have to do the extra step of rationalizing. Then you will get a square minus b square in the denominator. which can be simplified, which will then be simplified, and you're left with 1 root 3 and 1 root 2 value in the numerator. Then once you put in the values,
Okay, so we don't have to rationalize it separately, right?
No, you don't need to rationalize it separately. Vasudha, I have lost your answer somewhere, so okay, yeah, I have lost your answer. Just check your answer and see if it's right. Aditya Mundra, yes, 2.06. Puneet, you can solve it further. I have displayed the answer on the screen. Those of you who are having doubts, I hope it is clear now, or do you still want me to explain it? Clear now, awesome. Shakti, are you you? Yeah, Puneet, you're right. It's supposed to be 21 here. There are a lot of errors in this thing, so it's good. It is correct till the solving step. I have not applied. Okay, yeah, Vasudha. Okay, you can just put in the numbers for root 2 and root 3 and then solve. Yes, Puneet, you're right. This here, once you put the value of root 3 and root 2 in the solution, it says 12 into 1.732. It's 21, not 12. It's 12. It's 21 into 1.732, which will give you 36.372. Try solving it on your own, guys. Just refer to this solution only if you get stuck. There are a lot of errors in the solutions. Yes, Shivesh, 2.06 is right. Okay, once you're done, just raise your hand so we'll move on to the next question. Okay, awesome. Yeah, here's the next question. If x and y are irrational and rational numbers, respectively, is x plus y necessarily an irrational number? I just told you this. Okay, Neki, you are not done yet. Okay, guys. Here. Okay, we'll just wait for them one more minute and then we'll move on to the question. Yes, all those of you who are answering right now for the next question, make sure you mention the example in your book at least. You don't need to write it here, but just mention it in your book. Yes, good job, Netri. I like the way you've written it. Yes, Ryan, your answer is right. Yes, Shakti. Yes, good job. You guys, you got this answer. So, yes, x plus y is necessarily an irrational number. Here, I've displayed the question, Shivesh. If they are, yes, it will be irrational. Yes, you're right, Alina. It will be irrational. All you need to do is just give an example to support this answer from the previous one of the questions we had done. Any of those, any of the subparts can be used as an example. Pi minus 2, pi plus 2, any of that. Okay, so this is easy. Here, they've taken, yeah, any example will do, Ritvik. Yes. Yes, Aditya, it's not 12, it's 21. 21 into 1.732 plus 2 into 1.414. That's why I said try to solve it on your own as far as possible. There are quite a few errors in the solution doc and I was not able to correct it. So yeah, it's best if you solve on your own. If you get stuck anytime, anywhere, yes, you can always ask on WhatsApp or ask me. I'll be happy to help. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. Now let's go one by one. Okay. First subpart is root 45 minus 3 root 20 plus 4 root 5. Again, write root 45 and root 20 in terms of prime factors and then try to solve. You can be able to simplify it. Root 45 can be written in terms of it's nothing but 5 into 9. Aditya Mundra. Last slide. Okay, I'll share the PPT, guys. Don't worry, it just said that if x is rational and y is irrational, the answer of x plus y will always be rational. This is not the answer, Neki. What is the answer? What are you referring to? I seem to have lost your chat. Okay, wait, Neki. I'm going to unmute you. Just give me 1 second. I'm not really sure of what your doubt is. Okay, somebody has already started solving. No, Raghav, the answer is not right. Neki, can you raise your hand so I'll just unmute you? Yeah. Yeah, Neki, tell me.
Ma'am, are you on the screen? Question 12.
Yes.
So in the starting, what have they did the calculation?
These are all a set of questions. So the first one is root 45 minus 3 root 20 plus 4 root 5. You're supposed to simplify it. They are not answers.
Okay, so what about the last one, which is written 1?
Last one, where is it written 1?
Small Roman numeral.
Oh, that is just one of the subtopics, like the numbering of the question. What is beside root 45? There's nothing beside root.
Solve now.
Yeah, you solve. We'll go one by one. First, we solve the first question for now. The first, okay, guys, this is a list of questions here. Okay, so the first one is root 45 minus 3 root 20 plus 4 root 5. Atharva, awesome. Your answer is right. Okay, 45 can be written as what? 5 into 9, which is nothing but 3 into root 5. Right? Am I right? And 20 can be written as 4 into 5, which is 2 into root 5. So you'll get all three terms in terms of root 5 and then you can add. Guys, don't jump ahead. We'll do this one by one. First one, can everybody solve it? The first one. 10. No, Ryan. Yeah, so first one basically is, okay, fine. I don't think you guys got it. I'll explain it again, sure. Wait, I'll just show it to you. I'm a little confused. Yes, I'll explain. No, Shivesh, your answer is not right. Okay. Okay. So, 45. If you find the prime factors for 45 is basically 5, 9, 3, 3, and 3, 1. And which is the other term? 20. So for 20, you can write it as 2, 10, 5, and 5, 1. So basically it is 2 square into 5. So this will be 45 can be written as 3 root 5. 20 can be written as 2 root 5. What is the other term? Plus 4 root 5, right? This is 45 minus. Okay, so this, right? So now you can add 3 and 4 root 5 will give you 7 root 5 minus 2 root 5, which will give you the answer as 5 root 5. That's all you have to do. Okay, wait, I have made a mistake somewhere. 3 root 5. Okay, there was already a 3 here. Okay, wait, I'll just show you the solutions. There was already a 3 here, so this will be 3 root 5 minus 3 into 2 root 5 plus 4 root 5. So you simplify this. When you simplify this, you'll get just root 5. And the answer I'll just show it to you. Here. So write them in terms of their prime factors. Yeah, I missed the coefficient, Neki. That's where I just missed. I forgot that there was a 3 there. So write 45 in terms of, yes, Puneet, you're right. Ryan, no, you will just get root 5. No 3 root 5. Just check your calculation once. I have displayed the answer on the screen. If anybody still has a doubt, let me know. Will we play Kahoot? Okay, we have a list of questions to be solved first. Once we finish that, and if we still have time, we'll definitely play. But I need to ensure that you guys know how to solve the different type of problems. Did we multiply 3 into 2 root 5? Yes, you multiplied it here. In the second step, yes. Neki, when I was doing it, I just kind of skipped it, I guess. That's why I was getting a wrong answer. Okay, we'll go back and solve the next one now. This is easy. Again, like I said, just write 24 in terms of its prime factors and 54 in terms of its prime factors. You're getting the answer as 2 root 5. Neki, I'll just show you the solution again. How did you get it as 2 root 5? When you multiply 3 into root 20 can be written as 2 root 5. So it will become 6 root 5. 3 root 5 plus 4 root 5 minus 6 root 5 is root 5. Nikki, just check your calculation once. Okay, the second one. Write 24 in terms of prime factors, 54 in terms of prime factors, and then it will be very easy to solve. Okay, you all are giving me the answer for the second one. Awesome. Anirban, Ryan, awesome job. It's correct. Oh, no. Ryan, you've jumbled up the numerator and denominator. Check. You're close, but you jumbled it. Anirban, yes, your answer is right. What is the prime factors for 24? 3 into 8, right? Yeah. Ryan, no. Okay, so 24 can be written as what? Ryan, 6? No, Ryan, you're wrong. Abhishek Trivedi, yes. 54 can be written as... Okay, express both of them in terms of root 6. Yes, Nikki, you're right. Root 3 into 8, so you can write 8 as Raghav, awesome job. So you can write it as 3 into root 6. Puneet, nope, not quite right. Okay, I'll just show you how we do this one. Okay, 24, 2, 12 are 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, 1. Right? So 2 into this, so you'll get it as 2 root 6, and 54 can be written as 2, 2 are 4, 7 are 3, 9 are 3, right? So again 3 root 6. So it's 2 root 6 by 8, and 3 root 6 by 9, and add these two. And then what do? You can just do 9 2 are 18 root 6 plus 3 8 are 24 root 6, or you can just cut this off, 2 4s are 3, 3s are, so it will be easier. So 4 into 3 LCM is 12, so it will be nothing but 3 root 6 plus 4 root 6 by 12, which is nothing but 7 root 6 by 12. This is the answer. I hope you guys understood. Okay, I'll just show you the solution. How I got 2 root 6? Somebody asked me how I got 2 root 6. That is the prime factor for... Okay, this is gone ahead. How did I get 2 root 6? Okay, you got it now. Okay. Here, I'll just display the answer in case any of you have doubts. Just note it down properly. Again, there might be errors in this. Here, this is the answer to the second one. When you write 24 and 54 in terms of the prime factors, you can write it in terms of root 6 and then take the LCM, so you'll get 7 root 6 by 12. Nikki, can you see now? Yes, I'll show you the questions, Dhruv. Just let people copy the answer to this. I hope it's clear to them, then we'll move to the questions. Okay, I'm moving back to the question. I think it's clear. Okay, yeah, here you go. So the third one is, yeah, this is a little tricky. So just try doing the third one. If you don't get it, I'll explain it to you. It's a bit tricky. Fourth root of 12 and seventh root of 6. It's how did I express it in the root form? Okay, Shakti, I'll just get to you in 1 minute. Just let people copy this question. 168 root 2, Anirban, is that the answer for the third one? Nope, not close. So for the third one, you use the property I had shown it for the previous slide. A to the power x by y can be written as y power of a to the power x. Try doing this question. I hope you've copied it down. I'll just explain. Shakti. How did I get that? Okay, so no, Anirban, Puneet, Afnan, I'm afraid that's not the answer. You will get it in the form of two different terms. Raised to the power something. You will not be able to do much to the power. Okay, Shakti. So it was root. What was the factor? Root 24, right? Yeah, root 24. So 24 can be written as 2 12s are, 2 6 are, 2 3s are, and 3 1s are, right? So now this becomes 2 square, which can be written as 2. This becomes 2 squared, right? So root of 2 squared will be 2. That's how I got 2. And then this is root of 2 into 3. That's how I got root 6. That's why I'm writing 24 in the form of 2 root 6. I think you would have done this in your previous classes. Maybe you just missed it somewhere. Afnan, close. But no, that's not right. Abir, again close. Quite close. Just check the powers for 2 again. Yes, I'll explain. Mansi, yes, I will be explaining this question since it's a bit tricky one. So yes, I will be explaining this question. Okay, so should I'll start explaining. Maybe you guys can catch up somewhere. Ryan, no. Abir, yeah, I told you that you need to check your answers. Okay. Okay, I'll explain this question, guys. It's a bit tricky. So what does the question say? Yeah. Fourth root of 12 into seventh root of 6. Okay. So 12 can be written as, again, we'll do the prime factor thing. In this case, you always remember if you have to take prime factors if you want to write the root in terms of simpler fractions. 2 6 are, 2 3s are, 3 1s are. So here again, since there are two 2's, you will be taking it root of 2 square, which is 2, and this will become root of 3. So it will be 2 square. Okay. For now, I will just write it as 4 into 3 to the power 1 by 4 into, or wait, you can write this in the form of 4th root of 12. I'll make it simpler for you. Into, since there is already a 6 here, we'll write this in form of 6. Okay, so 6 2s are 12. So this will become 4th root of 6 into 2 into 7th root of 6. Now we can write this as in the form of exponents as 6 into 2 to the power 4 to the 1 by 4. 6 into 2, 6 into 2 to the power 1 by 4 into 6 to the power 1 by 7. So now you bring 6 and 6 together. So 2 to the power 1 by 4 into 6 to the power 1 by 4 plus 1 by 7. Right? If you do that, When you do that, you will get 2 to the power 1 by 4. Okay, x. Okay, into 6 to the power. What is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 7? Take the LCM, which is 28. 6 to the power 7 plus 4 by 28. Right? So, which is nothing but 2 to the power 1 by 4 into 6 to the power 11 by 28. Right? Now 6 can also be written as, you can simplify this further by saying 2 to the power 1 by 4 into 2 into 3 to the power 11 by 28. So 2 to the power 1 by 4 plus 11 by 28 into 3 to the power 11 by 28, which will be nothing but 2 to the power 7, right? 7 and 11 is 18 by 28 into 3 to the power 11 by 28. When you simplify this, this will become 2 nines and 2 14s. So your final answer will be nothing but 2 to the power 9 by 14 into 3 to the power 11 by 28. Understood? Didn't understand after primes. Didn't understand step 3. Neki, okay, Neki, I'm just going to unmute you. I'm not sure which is step 3 for you. Neki, can you raise your hand? Neki, yeah, tell me, which step did you not get?
Ma'am, I understand now. I wrote.
Okay, okay. Is there anyone else who did not get the question? Can you just raise your hand? Yes, Abir, you did not simplify. I was telling that you were quite there, but you just had to simplify it. Anybody who did not understand, just raise your hand or let me know. Just type in your question. Just tell me if you've not got a particular step. I'll explain it to you. Yes, Vansh, you did not get it. Okay. Hi, Vansh. Which step did you not get?
Ma'am, the last step, how did you get 2 power 18 upon 28?
Okay, so here, if you come back to this step, which I've marked in blue, it says 2 to the power 1 by 4 plus 11 by 28, right? If
Yes.
you take the LCM, it will be 28. So you multiply 1 into 7, 4 into 7. So it will become nothing but 7 plus 11 by 28. Right?
Yes.
Yeah, so 7 plus
Okay.
11 will be 18 by 28, and when you simplify it further, it will become 9 by 14.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Raghav, hi, are you stuck somewhere?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. No, Aditya, I'll be sharing the PPT once the session is over. Not right now. And the answers are there. The answers to all of this are there. You can make a note of this. If you have not got this, let me know. I'll explain it to you once again. So all you have to do is you write, since there is root 6 here, you write 12 in terms of 2 into 6, and then when you simplify, you bring the powers with the same base 6 together and add them, take the LCM, you will get 11 by 28. Then again you can simplify 6 in terms of 2 into 3, bring the powers of 2 together, take the LCM, simplify it, you will get the answer. Okay guys? Okay, I'm moving to the next question. Yeah, so now try solving okay, you know what, you can solve, no, yeah, try solving this. I will give you remaining questions as homework. So the next one will be 3 root 3 plus 2 root 27 plus 7 root 3. It's easy again. Express 27 in terms of root 3 and rationalize 7 by root 3. So 7 by root 3 will be nothing but 7 root 3 by 3. That's how you rationalize it. Okay, somebody's already giving me answers. Awesome, Raghav. Awesome job. That's correct. Awesome, awesome. Come on, guys. You can do this. This is a simple one. Express 27 in terms of root 3 and rationalize 7 by root 3. How do you rationalize 7 by root 3? We'll be multiplying the numerator and denominator by root 3. Molly, you will get only one term. Like, it will be a no different terms. Yes, Afnan, you're right. Molly, just check once. 3 root 3 plus if you write 27 in terms of root 3, what will you get? 27 in terms of root 3. Ryan, nope. 33, nope. Rationalize will be 7. Yes, you multiply and divide the denominator numerator by root 3. So it will be 7 root 3 by 3 once. 7 root 3 by 3 will be the rationalized part. Abhishek Trivedi, nope. The answer is wrong. No. Mansi, no. Just check. Puneet, yes. Amay, you can't see the PPT. Just refresh your connection once. Refresh. So the question is 3 root 3. I'll dictate the question, Amay. 3 root 3 plus 2 root 27 plus 7 by root 3. You have to simplify this. Atharva, no, I don't think that's right. Elena, awesome. Good job. Molly, awesome. Yes, your answer is right. When you write 27 in terms of root 3, it will be nothing but 3 root 3. So this expression will become 6 root 3. So 3 root 3 plus 6 root 3 is 9 root 3. 9 root 3 plus 7 root 3 by 3. Yes, Anirban, awesome. Yes, Shivesh, your answers are correct. Okay, I'll just show you the solution for this one. This is a very simple one compared to the ones we were solving till now. Yeah, here is the answer. Write 27 in terms of root 3 is nothing but 6 root 3. And you rationalize 7 by root 3. And when you simplify the equation, you will get 34 root 3 by 3. Yes, Ryan, good job. Your answer is right. Anybody has a doubt still in this question? No. Okay. Yes, this is a pretty simpler one compared to the ones we did. Okay, 2 more. We'll move on to the next one then. Yeah, this is easy. The next one is very easy. I want all your answers quickly. Root 3 minus root 2 the whole square. This is a minus b the whole square. We simplify it. Yes. Raghav has already started solving. Awesome. Raghav, yes. Your answer is right. Neki, nope. Just do a square minus b square. Puneet, awesome. Yes. Got the right answer. A square minus b square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. In case you guys have forgotten. Ritvik, Vishal, awesome. That's the right answer. Guys, this is a very simple one. Fast, fast. A minus b the whole square. It's as simple as that. Atharva, yes, your answer is right. Vansh, nope. Just check once. 3 minus 2 root 6 minus 2 square it will be. So what will that be? Ryan, 3 minus 2, no, it's a minus b the whole square. So that will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. Shivesh, Arav, awesome. Your answers are right. Neil, yes, your answer is right. Vasudha, quite close. You're missing something. Neki, yes. Molly, yes. Your answer is right. Anirban, answer, the sign is wrong. Just check your sign once. Check your calculations. Yes, Muskan. Correct answer. Elena, I'm afraid that's not the right answer. It's just a square minus b square plus 2ab. When you do that, you'll get 3 minus 2 root 6 plus 2. That's no Abhir, no Abhishek. Okay, I'll show you the answer. I don't know where you guys are going wrong. I'll just show you the answer. Yes, Vansh. Correct answer. Here's the answer on the screen. Although if you didn't get it, just write it down. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Next one again is a bit tricky. I want you to solve this, then maybe the other two you can do it for homework. Yeah, very easy. Again, prime factors. Just take prime factors, your life will become very easy. Okay, prime factors of 81. What to the power 4 will give you 81? Oh wow, I already see answers for the next. Ritvik, Afnan, Raghav, awesome job guys. Yes, it's the correct answer. Atharva, Ritvik, you're giving me multiple answers or are you solving ahead? Ryan, no, the answer is not right. Just take prime factors for each term first. Go stepwise. Prime factors for each term. What to the power 81 will give you 4? 81 can be written as 81 to the power 1 by 4 plus 8, 216 to the power 3. 1 by 3, sorry. 3 to the power 4 will give you 81. So 3, 4 to the power 1 by 4, which 4 and 4 will get cancelled. Similarly for 2 and 6, take the prime factors. Whoa. Puneet, it's a very simple answer, nothing complicated like that. Just check your calculation once. Shivesh, awesome. 5, 2 to the power 5 gives 32. I'm helping you guys out. Okay, what to the power 216 gives you? 216 will be 2 into 3. Root 225 is just 15. What answer are you getting, Nikki? Let's see first. Simplest ones. Neil, nope. The answer is not 90. Anirban, awesome. Okay, you're not getting, you're stuck somewhere, Nikki. Okay, I'll just show you the solution. Just give me 1 more minute, let me see. Have you written all these terms in terms of their prime factors? 81 will be 3 to the power 4. Write the same for 2 and 6 for 32, and 225 is nothing but 15. Root of 225 is 15. Okay, I'll just show you the answers. Yes. Yeah. Here. So you write 81 in terms of prime factors, 2 and 6 in terms of prime factors, 32 and 225. 225 is basically 15. So you can directly write it as 15. Then the fourth root of 81 basically is 3. 3 to the power 4 is 81. Yes, Ryan, good job. So just copy this solution. Once you're done copying the solution, just raise your hand so I know that these many of you are done with the solutions. Nikki, I hope it is clear now. You just get prime factors and substitute the values. That's it. Maybe you got stuck in the prime factors. Okay, guys. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Copy it soon. I hope you've got the steps, like you're not stuck anywhere or getting confused with the steps. How to simplify 8 root 2 and 6. Okay. So what they've done is they have okay, so I'll just show it to you, Puneet. So yeah, so basically they have taken the factors for 2 and 6, which is nothing but you can go with 2. Sorry. These are 3 ones are, right? So if you see here, there's 3 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 3. So 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power. Root 2 and 6 can be written as this, right? So that's what they have done. They have written this to the power 3. So when they write this, it becomes 6 to the power 3 to the power 1 by 3, which this and this get cancelled. That's how they have done it, Puneet. Puneet, is it clear now? What about 8? Yeah, you multiply it. So it's 8 into cube root of 216. So we just took care of the cube root of 216 part, and then this answer, so you multiply 6 into 8. They have multiplied it below there, so it will give you 48. Here, they multiplied it here. If you see in this step, here, they have multiplied it here, 8 into 6. Okay guys, have you copied it down? Are you clear? Okay, can we move ahead? Okay, awesome. Most of you seem to have done. So the last two are simple ones. These two I want you all to be solving. I want everybody giving the answers for these ones. They're pretty simple. The last two. Okay, first we'll take the second last one, which is rationalize the denominators first. Separately rationalize the denominator. Then take the LCM. Then you get the answer. Afnan, close, not right. Close. Raghav, yes, it's correct. Ritvik, nope. Check. Anirban, nope. Rationalize the denominators separately. So it will be 3 into root 8 by root 8 into root 8. And 1 into root 2 by root 2 into root 2. No, Shivesh, that's not the right answer, I'm afraid. Atharva, you need to rationalize the denominators first and then simplify it. You're close. Simplify it one more step ahead. You'll get in terms of numbers the answer. You can write root 8 as what? Yes, Neki, you can simplify this further. You're close. You can write root 8 in terms of what? Simplify it. Prime factors of root 8. Yeah, yeah. Neki, yeah, you can write it as 2 cube then. Or you can just write it as 4 into root 2. Right? 4 into root 2. So you get root 2 same. So it become 12 plus 4 root 2 by 8. Which is equal to yes, Atharva. One more step simplification. 10 root 2 by 8 is nothing but 5 root 2 by 4. Puneet, root 2. No. Atharva, awesome. You got it. Ryan, yes. Awesome. Abhishek Trivedi, 3 root 3 by 2 is not the correct answer. I'm sorry. Anirban, close. It's 5 root 2 by 4. Just check your calculation once. Okay. I'll show the answer to this one for all those of you who not got it. It's not there in the solutions. This, so I'll just copy down this if you've not got it, guys. So the question is 3 root 8 plus 1 by root 2. So first you rationalize each of them. 8 into root 8, 3 into root 8 plus 1 root 2 by 2 into root. Then what do you get? 3 root 8 plus 1 by root, or you can just write root 2 plus root 2 by 8 and by 2. Now taking the LCM, 3 root 8 plus 4 root 2 by 8, which is nothing but, you can write root 8 in the form of 3, 4 into 2 plus 4 root 2 by 8, which is nothing but This is nothing but 3 into 2. Okay, I'll write it here. It's nothing but 3 into 2 root 2 plus 4 root 2 by 8. 6. 10 root 2 by 8, which can also be simplified as 5 are 4. So the simplified answer will be 5 root 2 by 4. In case anybody has not got this question, please copy it down from here. It's not there in the PPT. So just copy it. Shivesh, did you get it now? I have written the answer. I have explained the steps. Anybody who is having any difficulty in any step, please let me know. Yes. How did I get 3 into 2? Where? Oh, here. Yeah, because it was, I believe you are talking about here, right, Elena? Because here, 3 into root 4 into 2. So 4 can be taken out as 2, right? Root 4 into root 2. Root 4 is nothing but 2. So it will become 3 into 2. Is it fine, Elena? Okay. Just make a note of this quickly because this is not there in the PPT. Once you're done, just raise your hand, guys. Once you've done copying or done solving this question so that I know I can move on. Okay, most of you have written it. Okay, fine. We'll move on to the next one. Okay, the last one, y'all can solve it on your own. I'll leave it to y'all. I want to move on to the next topic. Yes, the next type of question. Okay, so here, if root 5 plus root 3 by root 5 minus root 3 is a plus b root 15, find the values of a and b. Okay, are you up for trying the question first? Then I'll explain it. Just try and tell me what you get the values as a and b. First, start by rationalizing the denominator, the very first step. You multiply and use the a square minus b square rule, which is a square minus b square is nothing but a plus b, a minus b. In this case, a minus b is given in the denominator, so you multiply with a plus b, the numerator and denominator both. Ryan, we need the values of a and b. So you will get some kind of an equation. From there you will be able to figure out the value of a and b. So I want the values for both a and b. Okay, rationalize the denominator first. I hope everybody is clear with that step. And then simplify. Then you will get an equation in terms of the equation given on the RHS, from which you can identify which is A and which is B. You are stuck somewhere. Okay, I'll explain it to you. Atharva, awesome. And B is, A is, your answer is right, and B is. First, I'll explain this question. Afnan, awesome. Atharva, awesome. Awesome job, guys. Okay, I think most of you are stuck somewhere. So I'll just explain it to you. Okay, so what does it say? Is a question. Root 5 plus root 3 by root 5 minus root 3. So I'll begin by rationalizing it first. Since it is minus 3 here, so I'll multiply with plus. So the denominator becomes the form a minus b square, a square minus b square, and the numerator is of the form a plus b the whole square. So what do you get? 5. I'm just directly writing it, guys. 5 plus 2 root 15 plus 3 by 5 minus 3, right? Nothing but 8 plus root 15 by 2. So you've almost got it of the form a plus b plus 15. So just in this case you can take 2 outside. So oh sorry, I just missed something here. It's 8 plus 2 root 15 by 2. So now you can take 2 common outside. 8, no, sorry, again. 4 plus root 15 by 2. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So what will it be? It will look something like 4 plus root 15 is equal to a plus b root 15. From this you can say a is 4 and b is 1. Right? Easy. Once you know like how to simplify it, it's easy, isn't it? Okay. Anybody still having a doubt in this? You just need to rationalize the denominator and simplify. I'll show you the answer on the PPT. That's a better presentation. Yeah, here. You just rationalize the LHS, simplify it, you'll get the answer. Just raise your hand once you're done copying it. We need to cover just 2 more types of questions. Oh no, 3. 3 more types of questions. So yeah, raise your hand once you're done. Okay guys, I'm moving to the next one. The ones who have not yet copied, I'll share the PPT, so don't worry, you can copy it later. Okay. Yeah. If x is equal to 7 plus 4 root 3, find the value of the expression x plus 1 by x. Simple. X is given, 1 by x will be nothing but 1 by this term. Rationalize this term and tell me what do you get the value of the expression. Then add the two together. X is 7 plus 4 root 3. What will be 1 by x? 1 by 7 plus 4 root 3. Rationalize it. Rationalize 1 by 7 plus 4 root 3. Then you'll get an expression for 1 by x. And then just add x and 1 by x. No, Afnan. I'm sorry. You're not quite close. You need to rationalize 1 by x. X is given here. 1 by x will be 1 by 7 plus 4 root 3. Rationalize that term, so you will get an expression. Then add that expression with 7 plus 4 root 3. You will get the answer. Awesome, Puneet. Awesome. Atharva, awesome. You guys really have got the hang of this chapter. That's good. Anybody else close to getting the answer? X is given, 1 by x will be nothing but the reciprocal of this Ria. Awesome job, Ria. Yes, that's the correct answer. Afnan, uh, uh, no, you get the answer in terms of a number, Afnan. Once no, it is x plus 1 by x. You need to add it. Raghav, no, that's not the answer. Okay, guys, it's simple. X is 7 plus 4 root 3. So 1 by x is nothing but 1 by 7 plus 4 root 3. Rationalize it. This is the a plus b part. Anirban, awesome. It is the a plus b part, so multiply it with a minus b, which is 7 minus 4 root 3. No, once you get the answer in terms of a rational number, no roots, nothing. The answer is a rational number. Okay, I'll explain this question to you guys. I think most of you are stuck somewhere. No, Netri, close, but that's not the answer. Okay, so x is 7 plus 4 root 3. What is 1 by x? 1 by 7 plus 4 root 3. Now rationalize it. By rationalizing, you will multiply by 7 minus 4 root 3 by 7 minus 4 root 3. Which you will get 7 minus 4 root 3 in the numerator and 7 minus 16 into 3 in the denominator. We will get 7 square, right? 7 square. Which is nothing but 7 minus 4 root 3 by 49 minus 48. So this expression comes down to 7 minus 4 root 3. So now x plus 1 by x is nothing but 7 plus 4 root 3 plus 7 minus 4 root 3. This is equal to 4 root 3 and 4 root 3 get cancelled. 7 plus 7 is nothing but 14. There you go, guys. It's that simple. Okay. Yes, Ara, 14. Yes, Neil, 14. Mansi, where did you get R3? I don't know. Just check the answer. Okay, I'll just show you in the presentation. It's given in a better way. Yeah. So just have a look at it. Yeah. Basically rationalize the denominator, so you will get an expression which says 7 minus 4 root 3. When you add the 2, you get 14. Okay, Mansi, no issues. Okay, guys, you can make a note of this later. I'll share the PPT with you later. I'll move on to the next question. We still need to do 2 more types of questions so that I know you've got the hang of this chapter. Okay, so this is similar to the previous one. Let's see who gets this. So in this, again, rationalize the denominator of x and y separately. Always remember a square minus b square. So if a minus b is already given, multiply by a plus b. In case of x, multiply by a plus b. In case of y, multiply by a minus b. Okay, let's see who gets the answer for this one. Oh, sorry. No, Puneet, you get it as a number. Raghav, awesome job. Okay, yeah, I'll wait, Puneet. No worries. Yeah, correct. That's right. That's the right answer. Raghav, Puneet, good job. It's the correct answer. I hope you are mentioning stepwise and writing it properly and it's not just rough work, right? Because you need to show the steps in the exam. Afnan, yes. Awesome. Atharva, no. You made a mistake somewhere. Just check your calculation. Next, rationalize. For x, rationalize the denominator. Then for y, rationalize the denominator. You'll get two expressions. Then just square both of them. No, once the answer is not that. Just check. Check your calculations. When you rationalize it, you will get a plus b the whole square in case of x and a minus b the whole square in case of y. Ensure you have mentioned the terms, three terms it's supposed to be there. Are the others trying to solve or are you stuck? Atharva, close. Close, quite close. Just check once again. Yes, Atharva, yes, that's right. I hope the rest of you are trying and you all are able to solve it. Anybody stuck? Molly, awesome. Shivesh, no, I don't know. How did you get that answer? Did you rationalize? No, Ryan? Okay, okay. I think you are stuck somewhere. I'll just show the answer. Okay, so first rationalize the denominator for x, which is a minus b is already given in the denominator. So you multiply by a plus b. So that you will get a square minus b square, right? Always keep that in mind. And now, when you expand the term, you get this expression 5 plus 2 root 6. Then similarly, when you rationalize the denominator for y, you get this answer. Right, now squaring both the terms, again it will be a plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole square. So you'll get 6 terms, out of which 2 terms, okay, yeah. So out of which the root terms get cancelled. So you're left with 98. Anybody having a doubt in this question? Do you want me to go through the steps once again? Okay, raise your hand if you are done copying, then we'll move on to the last question of the day. Okay, fine. I think most of you have copied. So, yeah, the last question. I think I will have to explain this question to you. Okay. Okay. So the question is here on the screen. If x, y, and z are positive real numbers, show that root of x to the power minus 1 y into root of y to the power minus 1 z into root of z to the power minus 1 x is 1. Okay, so this actually it looks tricky, but it's easy. I'll just explain the steps here. So it says root of x to the power minus 1 y into root of y to the power minus 1 z into root of z to the power minus 1 x is equal to 1. So we'll consider LHS first. We'll just simplify this term inside. So to become what? Y by x, right? You can write it in form of that. Or z by y into x by z is equal to, okay, yeah, we are just considering the LHS for now, right? Which can also be written as y by x to the power half into, we're using only laws of exponents here, the simple ones, into z by y to the power half into x by z to the power half, right? Now when you simplify this, you can write it as y to the power half into z to the power half into x to the power half. I'm just writing the power for each term into x to the power 1 by 2 into y to the power 1 by 2 z to the power 1. Yeah, I think you must have got the answer by now. Now just you can cancel each power x, x, z, z. So basically equal to 1, which is equal to the RHS. Simple, right? Okay, yeah, you can make a note of this. Anybody having any doubt in this? Do you want me to explain it to you once more? Just copy this down, and if you want me to explain it to you once more, just let me know. These are just using the basic laws of exponents. Point means multiplication, Anirban. It's basically multiplied by this into this. Yes, Dhruv, you have a doubt? Okay, I'll just unmute you. Yes, I'll explain it again. 1 second. Just let me take up Dhruv's doubt and then I'll explain it. Hi Dhruv, you have a doubt?
No, ma'am, I understood why have you put half over there because you removed the root sign.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
I know.
Okay, yeah, I'll explain it once more. Yeah, so the question says root of x to the power minus 1 y into y to the power minus 1 z into z to the power minus 1 x is equal to 1. We have to prove that. So basically you can write, since there's a negative power here, so you can write it as y to the power x. Negative power basically means it will come in the denominator. So similarly I have written it for the other two terms here, these terms like this, and now it's the power, it's the root. A root can be also written as 1 by 2. So I have taken the root sign out and written the power as 1 by 2. Then I have opened the bracket and assigned the power to each variable. When you do that, you can cancel out most of the terms and you will get the answer as 1, which is nothing but the RHS. Is it fine now? Okay, yes, if you have written this down, if you don't have any questions, you can leave. This is the question out of what I have written on the written as the first line. We need to prove that this expression is equal to 1. Bye bye. Bye guys. I hope you have understood the concepts. Anybody still having doubt? Awesome, understood everything. That's nice. Bye bye.